Hi, and welcome to Week 9 of Quantitative Reasoning. This week in class, we'll be covering Lessons 9A, 9C, 10A, and 11A. You'll also be completing 2 activity lesson quizzes this week. You will also need Spreadsheet 10A, which is located down here in your announcements. Please make sure you also read this announcement titled Important Information, as we are now over halfway through with the semester, and I need you all to be up to date with your grades. If you're missing any work or have any questions, please reach out. If we take a quick look at our timeline, again, we're going to scroll down to week 9. You have your Ed puzzles to complete for 9A and C, and 10A and 11A, and you also have your preview and practice assignments. Your mini project is also due this week. With your mini project, I want to give you some academic freedom. You can either write the paper, present it in a PowerPoint, or present your project in any way, shape, or form you see fit, as long as all the questions are answered. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. I have student hours and can also schedule a meeting with you. I hope you all have a great week. Let's finish this semester strong.